Hey everyone, so today we're going to do a 16 by 20 dirty pour, and it'll be 4 cups on this one. So I'm going to be using black. This is Creative Inspirations Lamp Black, Lucas Cyan, Fine Touch Ocean Green, Soho Phthalo Green Blue, Craft Smart Seamus Pearl, Craft Smart Champagne Pearl, Lucas Van Dyke Brown, and Artist Loft Maple Yellow. So I'm going to move this back while we do our cups. And I am going to spray them with the WD-40 silicone spray, just so we can get all that paint out. You can also use your coconut milk or dimethicone or silicone, treadmill silicone. Just wipe it out and your paint still won't stick. And it's easier to clean the cups. Probably need a little bit of white in here somewhere for some lacing effects. But I am going to start with black. And I'm going to follow that with the Lucas Cyan. The Fine Touch Ocean Green. Soho Phthalo Green Blue. Craft Smart Seamus Pearl. Some gold. Lucas Van Dyke Brown. The Naples Yellow. I'll tap it with white. And I'm going to go back in the reverse order, but I'm not going to add the yellow. A lot of paint. I'll probably have lots left over to pull some tiles. We have tons of tiles. My husband just got rid of about 45 of them as gifts for his coworkers. There we go. We are good. Oops. Okay. So if you've been watching me, you know that when I do a dirty pour, I just kind of go all over the place with it. So that's what I plan. However, I do want to swirl those cups just a smidge. Okay, let's get pouring. That's exactly what I wanted. That Naples and that green. I would have been happy with just those colors. The nice thing when you're doing dirty pours, you can learn how beautiful that cup is. you can learn what colors go well together. My neighbor's dog is barking, so I'm sorry if you can hear that in the background. She doesn't like to be outside. But I think they got a new puppy, so that's her quiet time. But I ended up using all the paint, so we'll see what we get. Let me give that a quick torch. We have a ton of cells. Some beautiful runoff here that I will pick up after. Don't like that right there. I hope that's not going to haunt me. Alright, so I'm just going to move it around and get everything connected. Since I'm already here on this end, I head this way, trying not to lose too much of that yellow. That one strand of green there is going to be in my eyesore, I think. Oops. So let me see if I can get something to come up through there. And then I'll balance it out a little bit more. So I hope everyone had a nice Christmas. I am filming this before Christmas. I'm going to take a little hiatus after Christmas and get some varnishing and resin work done. So I'm doing all my filming now. Okay, I don't see anything wanting to come up through there except a little bit of blue. So I think I'm going to mix up one small cup, or we're going to take it right through there. Whoops. I'm having a lot of whoopsies today. Okay, so I definitely want to put some black and some gold and some brown. A little more brown and some yellow, a little bit more gold, and give that a swirl. Okay, so I'm looking on my monitor to see what you're seeing, so I know where to go with this. I have nothing there either, but this is more black. Okay. So if you don't like a dirty pour, you can always pour more. Sorry, we got a heartbeat. I am going to stretch that out. Now I'm liking that band through there, so yay me. I'm getting rid of some of that brown. Much better. It's more earthy now. Alright. The gold is going to be absolutely gorgeous when it dries through there. Now let me give it a good torch. Oh, I'm going to have some beautiful tiles. I don't like to waste paint after I pour on a canvas. I always pick it up and make jewelry or tiles. Sometimes if I have a ton, I like to just dip a canvas in it and use it as a background for something else. But I haven't had time to do much embellish work. That's gonna all change. I have my plans for the new year. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it right there. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below, click on that bell, and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook for our new group, the Garage Posse. The Garage Posse. Yay! Also, I have my Christina Welch Art page on there. All the links below are for, my goodness, shopping. That's not going to like me do that. Shopping on Etsy and Amazon and Redbubble, Teespring for t-shirts and hoodies and tank tops and you name it, it's on there. And our fan mail box if you want to send us a card or a gadget to play with, to paint with. Go right ahead. We're game. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.